Hello everyone. In this class, we are going to learn about the Tamil basic letters. There are totally 13 letters, and which the first 12 are called Uyirelthukal and the last one is called Ayudha Eluthu. Okay, let's enter into the class and learn about what are the 13 letters. The first one is pronounced as A. The second one is pronounced as A. See the third one. E. E. U. U. Ye. Ye. I. O. O. Au. Ak. This is how we pronounce these basic 13 letters. Here we have two types. One is Kuril letters and then Nedil letters. See, Kuril letters and then Nedil letters. Okay, the Kuril letters are A, E, U, A, I and then O. The Nedil letters are A, E, U, A, O. Oh, and then the Au comes in Kuril letter. Kuril letter. See, the last one is called as Ayudha Eluthu. We can write it as Ayudha Eluthu. In this category, there is only one letter we are going to learn as Ayudha Eluthu. See, these are the basic 13 letters and these are the categories of the basic 13 letters. Here we can learn about the pronunciation is merged for the Kuril and Nedil letters. See, this one is as less sound, A, and this has high pitch, A. And again less pitch, high pitch, less pitch, high pitch. In this category, there are these three types.
I hope this video is helpful. If you have any queries, let me know through mail ID, which is available in About page, or comment us. Stay subscribed for future updates. DK Learn World. Thank you. Have a happy day.